The Hui people. What happened to the people who traveled on the Silk Road? Some of them returned to their home countries. However, others found new homes. Some of the travelers found a new home in China. Today, there is a group of people called the Hui, who descended both from the Chinese and travelers from Central Asia and the Arabian Peninsula. Some of those travelers were led by Sheher. He's considered to be the father of Islam in China. Many of the Hui people live in the northwestern region, which is very mountainous and beautiful. Others live in the plains of Zhejiang. Yet others live in Beijing, the capital of China. The name Hui comes from the Chinese word Hui. Today, this word means Muslim. The Hui people have created their own unique culture in China. For example, although they speak Chinese, Arabic and Persian phrases are used. Also, they have created their own unique Chinese cuisine that doesn't include pork. The Hui people may have other origins aside from Silk Road travelers too. There is a legend that says that a village of Chinese people converted to Islam. Their last names were all Zhang. Other people say that Muslim people adopted Chinese children. Then they raised them in Islam. The Hui people have been around for hundreds of years. They even created their own style of masjid. Some of the masjids are similar in style to Chinese temples. For example, the Great Mosque of Shan in a city called Shan is mostly used by Hui people. It is a beautiful mosque. Also, Hui people often have two names. One is a Chinese name. The other is an Arabic or Muslim name. In addition, many people who have Arab ancestry have last names based on Arab names. However, they have been changed a little bit. For example, the Arab name Hassan is Ha in Chinese, or the name Saeed is Saeed. The Hui people also have a long tradition of literature. In the 1700s, Hui authors, including Liu Ji, wrote a series of books. The books were called the Han Kitab. Kitab means book in Arabic. The books were about Islam and Confucianism. Can you imagine seeing a book that old? Another famous Hui person was Muhammad Mahjan. He could speak both Arabic and Chinese, so he translated the Quran into Chinese. This was an important job because it made this holy text easier for other Hui people to read. The Hui people also have a long history of military service. Many well-known generals and army officers have been Hui. This helped more people learn about the Hui people. Some examples are Bai Zhongji and Ma Zanshan. The Hui people are a very important group of Muslims. Even today, they are an important group in China. Although they live in many different areas, they all share the same faith.